How to build your own cheap power generator. Do you have a high power bill every month? Imagine how it would be like to have your own energy. Electricity Freedom is a step-by-step digital ebook, along with a video of Rich Lubbok, the creator, who shows you how to build your own cheap power generator system in 3 hours and for about $200. Anyone can do it, without any technical knowledge. Let's look what you'll find inside this ebook. 1. An easy-to-follow guide to how to construct your generator. 2. What you need to put it together. 3. A weekend project to work on that will save you more money. 4. A way to create energy by itself without using any kind of fuel such as coal, heat, water and so on. 5. A source to power your household. How does it work? After downloading Electricity Freedom instructional manual, you will get detailed plans how to construct your own power generator, and video. It's not hard at all. Literally, you can start building your own cheap power generator from the day of purchase. The parts you need to build this power generator are really common items. I suppose you already have a screwdriver, hammer and other things. Also, if you think that you will need to purchase some special parts from the internet, you are wrong. You'll find everything you need in your local hardware store. The key benefits. 1. Works in extreme hot and extreme cold weather. 2. Very cheap to build. 3. Your power bill will be significantly lower. 4. Easy to follow plans, anyone can do it. 5. You will not have to use the electric company anymore. 6. 24 hours 7 days a week technical support for life, if you get stuck after you purchase, which you won't. 7. Customer feedback, there is a lot of satisfied customers. Just read what those people think, and you'll see what I mean. 8. Electricity Freedom System has a certificate of guarantee. If you'll not be satisfied with Electricity Freedom in any way, you'll get a 60 days full money back guarantee, no questions asked. And the biggest benefit, it works, that's rarely to see these days. So, do I recommend it? Hell yes. It works as long as you know how to read and how to hold a hammer. It's the best product on the internet, there's no doubt about it. Rich Lubbok, who is a 56-year-old real person, and lives about an hour outside of Chicago, in a town called Naperville. If you are skeptical, just listen to his sincere video about his product creation and the testimonials of all the happy customers of Electricity Freedom System. You will be shocked by how easy this is to build, and you will be amazed by just how quickly the Electricity Freedom System takes your electric and gas bills down to zero. Want more details on how to build a cheap power generator to see the full reviews of Electricity Freedom System? Click the link in the description box below this video today. Please share, like and subscribe to this channel.